beginning of 2023, Panasonic made a significant influence by launching the Lumix S1H II, which received widespread acclaim from both critics and customers. The addition of phase detection autofocus was a particularly noteworthy feature. Following that success, they introduced the G9 II, cementing Lumix's strong position in the camera industry. With a string of consecutive successful releases, all eyes are now eagerly awaiting the announcement of their upcoming camera. In this video, we're discussing all the upcoming cameras from Lumix that are definitely worth the wait. You'll immediately notice its sleek, ergonomic design when you hold the S1H II. However, what truly sets it apart is the advanced technology it houses. Featuring a massive 50-megapixel full-frame sensor, the S1H Mark II will excel at capturing even the finest details with remarkable clarity. And the new Phase Detect autofocus system, borrowed from the Panasonic Lumix S1H II, will ensure that your subjects remain in focus, no matter how fast they're moving. But the S1H Mark II's capabilities extend far beyond this. It'll be able to shoot 8K footage at DCI 60 FPS and offers 4K oversampling at 120 FPS for added versatility. For those seeking the utmost quality, the S1H Mark II will provide 6K and 8K RAW output, as well as ProRes RAW support for both resolutions. You'll have ample storage options for compatibility for SD or CF Express Type B cards. However, the S1H Mark II isn't solely focused on video. It will also excel at capturing stunning photos, delivering the flexibility and control expected from a high-end camera. Moreover, if it receives Netflix's approval, it'll get the upper hand in the camera industry. The excitement among Lumix fans is driven by the success of its predecessor, the Lumix S1H, a top-of-the-line full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professional film production. The S1H Mark II will continue this legacy, promising serious capabilities in both domains. While the price range for the S1H Mark II is still unknown, the official announcement is scheduled before the end of March 2024.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The most exciting feature of the upcoming Lumix GH7 camera is its new phase detection autofocus system. This is a significant upgrade from Micro Four Thirds cameras, and many have been eagerly waiting for these improvements. In a recent interview with Yamin San, the director of Panasonic's imaging business unit, he mentioned that they are carefully evaluating different autofocus methods to provide the best user experience. In this case, they have decided to go with the latest Phase Detection Autofocus or PDAF system. Initially, they plan to implement this in their professional-level cameras like the GH series, and then gradually extend it to other models in their lineup. However, it's unlikely that other features of the GH7 will see significant upgrades. Increasing the megapixel count is challenging because Micro Four Thirds sensors are already much smaller than full-frame sensors. As the saying goes, don't fix what's not broken. The Lumix GH6 is already considered one of the best high-end Micro Four Thirds cameras, offering excellent image quality, performance, and advanced features. By incorporating the new autofocus system into the GH7 and making some minor tweaks, Panasonic aims to create an attractive package for photographers. Regarding the release date of the GH7, it's unclear at the moment, but there are rumors suggesting that it might arrive sooner than expected, based on the past release patterns of the GH series. The original Lumix G7, a mirrorless camera released in May 2015, featured a 16-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor and a Venus engine image processor for high-quality photo and video capture. Camera Beta, a website known for inside camera news, recently posted an intriguing article. They mentioned that cameras have become more expensive and harder to find over the past 2 years. there are now rumors circulating that Panasonic might reintroduce a successor to the G7 in China. This new camera is rumored to be a 4K flagship model, including both the camera body and a lens kit, all priced at just over 2,000 yuan. This camera is expected to weigh 360 grams, have a micro 4/3 mount, and come with a 12 to 60mm lens suitable for street photography and daily video shooting. While Camera Beta speculates that this G7 Mark II might already be in development, there's no official confirmation yet. The only hint of Panasonic's plans for more affordable Lumix MFT cameras comes from a recent statement made by its manager, Yamane. If Panasonic decides to release an updated version of the G7, there are potential improvements and features to consider based on advancements in camera technology and customer feedback. For example, the Lumix G7 Mark II could feature a higher resolution sensor, improved autofocus performance, and better low-light capabilities. Panasonic might also incorporate features from their newer camera models, such as enhanced image stabilization and faster burst shooting speeds. Additionally, as video recording technology continues to evolve, the Lumix G7 Mark II could offer even higher quality video recording options, possibly including 6K or 8K video. The addition of phase detection autofocus, or PDAF, could further enhance its capabilities. However, these are speculations and expectations, and we'll need to wait for an official announcement from Panasonic to learn about the actual improvements and new features that the Lumix G7 Mark II may offer. A few months back, Matt Fraser, the business development manager at Panasonic USA, has acknowledged a clear demand for a phase detection autofocus, or PDAF, solution. However, earlier attempts to include PDAF in the GH6 were challenging while trying to make other desired improvements. During the sensor design process, it became evident that modifying it for phase-based autofocus wasn't feasible. Instead, Panasonic focused on achieving faster readout speeds and enhancing dynamic range for the GH6. Interestingly, Fraser disclosed that Panasonic is actively exploring various autofocus methods, including PDAF. Lumix is presently researching phase-based autofocus systems, time-of-flight autofocus systems, and even potentially groundbreaking solutions that have not been seen in the industry before. This means that Lumix is still in the development phase of integrating the new autofocus system and other features into the GH or Cinema series. So which Panasonic Lumix camera are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.